For this omelet, you will need 2 eggs, ham or other meat of your choice, margarine or butter, salt and pepper for a tasting, and shredded cheese of your choice.
I need to know for myself, like, what's going on? I don't know, I'm just like that. And I hated history in high school. So if you were on Titanic, would you have one tip to know if it's going down? I need to know who's going to get me the head off of, I almost said something. Either way. I need to know who's going to get me off of this shit.
Like that old woman who could tell the story.
I'm gonna be like the ones that was playing the violins. They just kept playing because they knew they were about to die.
Yeah, I'm gonna need them to be.
So somebody in the house got corona. Everybody go on quarantine?
No. How you gonna do that though?
Huh?
How you gonna do that? But well, that person has it. One of us probably has it and we don't know it. So I guess you do kind of need to keep your distance. But they're saying just that person like deals with it. But now they're finding out. Like the woman, Dylan, from NBC Today. Her husband has it. She didn't know that she has it, and they definitely don't want to have kids have it. Found out she took the antibodies test. That lets you know that you had it in the past. So she had it. Because if you take the antibodies test and you test positive, then that's just the way it goes. So she found out she had it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, or if you really want to show me some love, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss a single upload. And as always, if no one else will, be your own cheerleader, create your own sunshine. See you on the next upload.